Today we're going to use the 3M leather and vinyl repair kit to repair some horrific damage on my car seats. Let's see if it works. I'm trying to repair my vinyl seat here, so first I cleaned it off and then I cut back all the little fuzzies here, and then I used there's this foam here that has a sticky background. I used that to fill in this big hole, and then I covered it up with some cloth that they provided. So I'm going to try and take care of these little ones down here. So all I'm doing is I'm dabbing this black compound into the damaged area, and then you heat it up with a little iron. What you do is you heat up this little iron on your iron, and then you come over and you put this sheet over the repair, and then you apply the iron to it. So let's see how that works. So you can see what that looks like before I apply the iron. Okay, and there we go. You can see I've covered up that spot. Looks better than... So this is what the finished repair looks like. So even that gigantic hole that was there has been repaired, and it looks like pretty good. It's flexible. I mean, even where there used to be a giant hole here, the only way you can tell is that the stitching, you can't see the stitching anymore. But if you look, it has the same kind of grain, and it blends very nicely. I mean, if you were not looking carefully, you would probably not know that this looks like a dog ate it before. So I am quite surprised and pleased with the results. That's amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. There have been other videos using this exact same kit, but never on an actual seat that was in this bad a condition. So you can only see this kind of information on my channel, and I'm glad to bring it to you. But I need you guys to do a favor. I'm just starting out as a YouTuber, and in order for people to see my videos, I need you to ask you to do this one little thing, which is to click the like button. That just tells the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to other people. Otherwise, you'll be like only one of 20 people who ever get to watch this video, and it'll be lost in obscurity, and people will not know how well this product works. So, yeah, press the like button. Go ahead. I'll wait. Did you press the like button? Okay, if you did, thanks. And I'm still looking for my 1,000 subscribers. And if you would subscribe, that just means you favorite my channel. It doesn't mean we send you anything. Now, if you want to send me to send you something when I post a new video, then you have to click the notify button. Then you will get spammed. But I would also appreciate it if you would go ahead and check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Watch absolutely everything and put a like on all of my videos, and then maybe some other people will be able to get the information that I'm providing. But that's all for now. Ta-ta!